Oh, welcome back, my gardening friends. Well, after 40 years service with us, possibly 10 years from somebody before, it's time to say goodbye. It's empty. Ali, Mrs. K, found my bank card. She said I've got a big chest freezer. Well, I think that's a little bit bigger. Well, that big chest freezer that I thought was a big chest freezer was full with all these bits. That rack there and the one on the end was out of the old one, but it didn't fit, so I'll just give it a little bit of bendy. There's nothing worse than stacking stuff everywhere. But in this day and age, when there's lots of reduced items, you need to get them while you can. We buy in bulk and then split everything into meals. And of course, I need somewhere for my fruit and crumbles. I'll be able to bring everything now from my dad's freezer. I need to use the ones at the front, which are the rhubarb ones, or the apple ones are the ones that we did at the end of the season. And I've got plenty of frozen fruit there. Blackberries, raspberries, lots of red currants, and of course just one bag of white currants left. So I can get cooking again once the rhubarb starts and not worry about where it's going to go. She selected that one. I left it up to her, but I thought I'd just blog this because I'll never remember how small the other one was, yet I thought it was quite large. But there's plenty of room now for plenty of bread, etc. We won't go hungry. And in the future, I'll be able to make things for myself and freeze them. Squeaky, squeaky. I picked up another one of these filing cabinets. I picked up 2 last week, so now I might bring those from the allotment and squeeze 3 more in here. They're really useful in a garage space. Metal. 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 They won't soak up the condensation like wood does. So I'm happy with that. Not forgetting that little one I picked up as well, so it was 2.5 actually. So I've got 3.5 in the last 2 weeks. Skylar. Shh. Shh. Gable. Gable. Good lad. Right, must go. Oh dear. Skylar saying, repair that slab, Daddy, where we put the eco drain. Lots to do. Not much time to do it. Won't be long before I get a phone call about the greenhouse and I've got to take all this down. But keeps me out of trouble. Happy gardening to you all. Till next time, my friends. Ta-ra for now. Where is it? Okay. Where is it? Don't forget the edge screens. Appreciate your support.